Today, you have reached your highest high. Today, you have reached your lowest low. Reaching your highest high because you are no longer ulitawag dalaga. You are now minyo. Look at this couple, Zar and Shihan. They look each other. They look the same. Look at them as they look each other. They look the same because they love each other. And every success of a man, there's a man and woman behind, and that's your mother and father. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow, Zar and Shihan will forever love each other because they know that they are one because of God. Nagpaka na to sila.